This tutorial will guide you through on how to change the RuneScape 3 graphics completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Assuming you have the Jagex launcher open up and installed, and you click play for RuneScape, wait for the client to open up and load, and you're signing in on your RuneScape 3 account. Assuming you want to change the graphics for RuneScape 3, I got you. Now, depending on how your layout is set up, you want to go to the bottom right hand screen. Next to the music note or the music player, click the settings icon like so. Now, you have a different options here, but you want to click settings. And once open up and loaded, you want to click the second option next to gameplay and controls, graphics. And now, depending on how you want to change the graphics, you can change it to the minimum graphics. RuneScape is going to change. As you can see, the graphics look different. You can go back, click settings, or you can change it to low, mid, high, ultra, and you can change the graphics like so, windowed, full screen, etc, etc. You can even rerun the automatic setup for RuneScape graphics completely for free.